Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Aarti. Have you ever answered, I'm fine, and then the conversation completely suddenly stops? That can happen many times. Today, I'm going to teach you 5 simple questions which you can ask, which will help you to continue your conversation naturally. Question number 1. How has your day been? You can ask this when you want to know whether someone has a good, busy, or a difficult day. For example, how has your day been? It's been good, but quite busy. Question number 2. What have you been up to? Now, this is a casual way of asking, what have you been doing recently? For example, what have you been up to? I've been busy with work and spending time with my family, or maybe you are on vacation. You could say that, you could add that. Question number 3. You can also ask, how is work going or how is school going? Depends on knowing that person, if it's a student or is a working person. So you can always ask, how is work going with you? Or how is your school going? That the person might say, it's going quite well. I've started a new project. That just creates more curiosity in people, and they think that you want to carry on the conversation and you want to listen to them. So the person might want to share more. Question number 4. This is a very friendly question that helps you begin a longer conversation. Do you have any plans for the weekend? So if you ask somebody who has any plans for the weekend, they might say, I'm meeting some friends for dinner or I'm planning to go hiking. Question number 5. What do you like to do in your free time? This will give a chance for people to share their hobbies and their likes and dislikes when they have a free time. For example, you could ask, what do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy cooking, singing, and practicing yoga. Now, let's practice together. Imagine I say, I'm doing well, I am doing fine. Thank you. What question are you going to ask next to keep the conversation going? So you could ask, how have you been? Or what are your plans for the weekend? This will help you carry on the conversation and will give you less awkward moments. Remember, you don't have to speak difficult vocabulary to carry on a conversation. All you need is to keep the conversation going so there is a flow. In the meantime, I'm Aarti and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care, stay tuned.